The world will change next week. GPT-4, which is 500 times more powerful than the current #ChatGPT, will be released next week. The current version of ChatGPT is built on GPT 3.5 with 175 billion machine learning parameters. But GPT-4 has 100 trillion milliliters parameters. GPT-4 will be able to process multiple types of data including videos, images, sounds, numbers, etc. By next week, you will be able to use artificial intelligence to write a movie script, use AI to generate actors for the movie, produce the movie and take it public without hiring real-life actors. By next week, you will be able to write a fully illustrated 200-page book from scratch to finish in one day. The world will change next week. This is early-stage singularity. Humanity has stepped at the doors of the singularity. The immigration platform I am building will include artificial intelligence functions.
ChatGPT-4 is a new language model currently being developed by OpenAI that aims to generate human-like text. It is an upgrade to the current ChatGPT, which is based on GPT 3.5. The technology used in ChatGPT-4 is expected to be more advanced than its predecessor. Apart from generating text, ChatGPT has also shown the ability to ask clarifying questions and understand references to previous questions in its interactions with users. OpenAI has demonstrated this capability through sample conversations where ChatGPT debugs code and clarifies the intent of the user's question before responding.
There is currently no information available on when ChatGPT-4 will be launched or what specific features it will have. However, a recent article mentions the upcoming launch of ChatGPT-4 and speculates that it could be used to create AI-generated videos similar to Facebook's Make a Video feature. In summary, ChatGPT-4 is a new language model being developed by OpenAI that aims to generate human-like text. While there is limited information available about its specific features and launch date, it is expected to be an improvement over the current ChatGPT based on GPT 3.5.